Hello students, welcome to KitKat Digital Teaching System. I am your best teacher and today we are learning Countdown 4. So before start our topic, I would like to advise you to for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from KitKat Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is change these into mixed fractions. So to convert normal fraction to mixed fraction, simply you can divide both values, then convert into mixed fraction. So we can divide 9 by 2. So we can start counting a table of 2 equals to 9 or below to 9. So we have 2 4s are 8. So we can write 4 as the answer box and 8 as a subtraction value. So we can subtract 9 from 8. So our remainder is 1. So we can write these in mixed fraction is the remainder is comes in numerator, the denominator is remains denominator, and the answer is in whole fraction. Next question is 3 upon 4 plus 6 upon 7. So simply we can take the LCM of the denominators 4 and 7. So 2 to the 4 and 7 as same. So our LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. So we can write 28 as a denominator and divide the denominators. So 4 7 is 28, so we can add 7 multiplied by 3 plus 7 28, we can have 7 4 is 28, so we can add 4 multiplied by numerator which is 6. So 7 multiplied by 3 we have 21 plus 4 6 multiplied by 4 we have 24. So 21 plus 24 we have 45 upon 28. So and this is the final solution of this question. Next question is as it is to the previous question, but there is slightly difference. So simply you can convert the mixed fraction to normal fraction. So 5 into 5 25 and 25 plus 3 we have 28. So we have answer 28 upon 5. Then 10 into 2 20 and 20 plus 1 21, then our answer is 21 upon 10. So simply we can divide the denominators and 5 on the 5 5 to the 10, so we can write 2 multiply by numerator as 28 plus we can divide the both denominators 10 into 10 10 ones are 10, so we can write 1 into 21. Then 28 into 2 we have 56 plus 1 into 21 we have 21. So 56 plus 21 we have 77 upon 10. So we can divide both 77 upon 10. So we have answered 7 whole 7 upon 10. Next question is about as it is your previous question, but there is slightly difference that previous question you can add the both values, in this question you can subtract both values. So simply you can take the LCM first, 2 and 3 and 2 and 3, our LCM is 6, and again we can divide the both denominators 2 6 2 3 the 6, so we can write 6 multiply 3 multiply by 11, then subtract minus, then 3 to the 6 2 multiply. So we have 33 minus 4. So 33 minus 4 we have 29 upon 6. So again we can divide it by 29 divided by 6. So 6 1 the 6 and 6 4 are 24. So our answer is 5 whole 4 upon 6. Next question is word problem. So our word problem is Parvez cycles 1 whole 1 upon 4 kilometer in the morning and 2 whole 2 upon 5 kilometer in the evening. How far does he cycles altogether? So simply you can write the total kilometer distance covered by the Parvez on cycling for morning and evening. So in morning he rides 1 whole 1 upon 4 kilometer, and in evening he rides 2 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. So again we can convert the mixed fraction into simple fraction. So 4 1 the 4 plus 1 we have 5 upon 4. Then we can add the sign of plus. Then 5 into 2 we have 10, and 10 plus 2 we have 12. So we have 12 upon 5. Again we divide the denominators to 4 5 the 20, so we can write 5 into 5, then 5 4 the 20, then 5 4 into 12 we can write. So 5 into 5 25, then 4 into 12 48 upon 20. So we can add 48 plus 25, we have answer 73 upon 20. So again we can divide 73 divided by 20, so 23 is 60, and we have answer 3 whole 13 upon 20. Next question is solve the following sum. So simply you can multiply the both numerators and divide it by the denominators. So 35 into 5 we have answer 175. So 175 we can divide it by 7. So we have answered 25. Next question is divide the following sums. So our question number 1 is 6 divided by 1 upon 9. So here is in division, and denominator has 9 and numerator has 1. So we can convert it into multiplication. So we can and it is also converted into multiplication. So we have 6 multiplied by 9. So we can start counting the table of 6 till 9. So 6 9 the 54. So we can write in the answer 54. Number second part is 30 divided by 1 upon 20. So again we can convert it into multiplication, because we have numerator only 1 and denominator has 20. So 30 into 20 we have answer 600. Verify the associative law of multiplication. So number first question is 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 8. So firstly we can convert it into associative law. So our first equation is 1 upon 3 bracket 4 upon 5 multiply 5 upon 8, and again which is equals to 1 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 5 bracket 5 upon 8. So simply we can solve the bracket first, then after solving the bracket we can solve the open values. So 4 into 5 we have 40 and 5 into 8 we have 40, so we can write 20 upon 40 equals to 1 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 5. We can solve firstly the bracket. So 1 into 4 we have 4 and 3 into 5 we have 15, then 5 upon 8. So 1 into 20 we have 20, and 40 into 3 we have 120 equals to 4 into 5 we have 20, and 15 into 8 equals to 120. So we can start cutting, because 20 and 120 comes in same table. So 21 are 20 and 26 are 120. So in right hand side we can again start cutting. 21 are 20 and 26 are 120. So 1 upon 6 equals to 1 upon 6, which is right hand side equals to left hand side. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in the summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain the summer vacation learning project. As 10 marks included in the final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.